Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to install the thermostatic bar mixer shower from Triton. And I'm gonna fit it onto this wall. It's already tight, it's grouted, and all the pipework is in place behind the tiles. So when you open the box, you've got a lot of pieces. Basically all of this in this box at the moment is for shower rail. You've got the shower hose, the rail here, the shower head, and a lot of fittings that you're gonna put it together. And also you've got the thermostatic bar valve, the two plates that cover the pipe work. You've got two washers as well. This also for the bar valve, and you've got two dogleg connectors. You might need it or not. It depends of the pipework behind the tiles. So if you are using the dogleg connector, so probably inside the wall you've got two tap connectors like this, fitted for hot and cold water. So then obviously use PTFE tape on every thread. You screw the dogleg connector into the tap connector. Then you use PTFE tape again. Obviously you need a washer here, and then you connect, then you screw this onto the dogleg connector. So everything up to this thread is inside the wall, and here you use this plate to cover the pipework. In this case I didn't use the dogleg connectors. I just bought a bar fixing kit from screwfix. As you see, it's one bar, and you've got the all pipework rigid with the proper distance. So you just slide two pipes and tighten it, as this is compression joints in here. So I use this one in here. It saves me a bit work, maybe not money but work. So first thing we need to do, we need to put these plates onto it, but first we need to fill this with silicone, so this is like sealed. I use clear transparent silicone, so just fill all of these holes so there's no leaks inside the wall when we take a shower. Now we can put the plates to cover the hole that we cut in the tiles. So now we can install the shower mixer. As you see, we need these washers, this kind of washers. In this box they supply just two, but I need to use four, basically two on each side, as this pipework is a bit deeper than I expected. So if I put two, so there will be no leaks for sure. And we need spanner to tighten it a bit more. So now the shower rail. So we've got here we are a hose fitting into this slot. So then we've got these two pieces that we need to put together. Now this slides into here, so that's the height. We can tighten it whatever height we want. Now these two plastic fittings goes at two ends, and we use these supplied screws and plugs just to screw this to the wall. So as you see, there's a hole here, another hole there for the screw, so you need to center it. So we'd like the shower exactly in the middle of the shower mixer. So first I'm gonna fit the bottom fittings. This is the mark I've done. I'm using the tile drill bit just to drill in tiles. I can fix the bottom one just temporary, so then I will know where the top one is gonna go. Before I fit it forever, so there's two more things to go. There's a small shelf for soap, for example, and a hose holder. It goes into here as well. So when you put these two screws, I don't recommend to use an electric drill, as this is all plastic, and when you tighten it too much you can damage the thread and the plastic as well. There's also some two plates to cover the screws. There are also two little caps that goes at the ends of the shower valve, to one end and another. And basically that's it. So you can use the shower. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.